Welcome back to Cool Crafts with Bailey. Today we're going to be making a paper bird kite plane. Things you need for this craft is a large piece of paper, a paper to color and make a nose if you don't have red paper, 3 pieces of smaller paper for the tail, a red marker, a black marker, a pair of scissors, and string/paracord and a stapler or glue. To start, you take your large piece of paper and fold it in half hot dog style. Crease it. Now you have hot dog folded paper. You want to fold it and take the corners to the outside, kind of in the middle, like this, like a normal airplane. Take your stapler, staple the wings down. Like that. Now your bird has wings. Next, you take your black Sharpie. Be careful, because it's Sharpie. You're going to draw an eyeball, approximately here. Boop. And one on the other side. Circle, dot. There you go. Next, you're going to using a hole puncher or a pair of scissors, put a hole approximately here. Have a parent help you with this if needed. There you go. Now you have a hole for your string or paracord. Next, you're going to outline a triangle on your extra piece of paper, no matter the color. Now, if the paper you are using is not red, you want to color in that triangle. And then cut it out. Flip it over, lay it down, color to the other side, carefully. That way you have a beak that is red on both sides. Now you take the beak, slide it in the paper just in front of the eyes. And if you have glue, you may glue. And if you do not have glue, you may staple. Like so. Next, for the tail, you take your 3 smaller pieces, start in the middle, and you cut a C shape. Flip it over, cut another C shape. And you want to do this for all 3 of your soon-to-be feather pieces. Once you have your 3 feather pieces, you want to put them so one of the ends are really close to each other, like this. And then go to the back of your bird and slide them between the 2 halves of the paper. Glue or staple them in place. Stapling's a little harder, so have a parent help you. Now you have a bird with tail feathers, an eyeball, and a beak. To get it to fly, you take your string, put it through the hole, and then you just tie it around in an overhand knot like you start your shoes. Boom. You now have a paper bird kite that you can run around your yard with. Have a good day.